allow the spirit of Kongosa to just depart from us. No, it is not possible. My family. The weddedness where I get to my table. A warm, a hot, a over hot, in the flow. Jesus. This weddedness this Sunday, the weddedness we take them from London to Holland, from Holland to Salon, from Salon to Lord. The weddedness, it hurts. In it, una day on the say, in it. Oh no. Una share una tak good herself. I'm not get party wake up a rare business. Una tak good herself. The weddedness story want me out. Na tak good herself here. Hey, boy, Mareduma the costing company Mareduma for your boy, your husband. Hey, wonder shall never sit on me. Me I tell yourself. When you say I need for can take son back for like give you this latest Kongosa. Because this married woman rare girl. Una not share it, una not gonna say it. Now the latest Kongosa, the latest weddedness nuggets. Una not give me star say it, una one can give the story. Hey, whoa, married woman rare girl. Me I tell you, hey, what's it? And you know what is sweet people only there? Dolly connected. Dolly Juju it connects. The Dolly Juju the squad they are connected. Hey, me people you are not in it. Una not share it. Una not tag this the latest Kongosa on weddedness. Married woman when left in matrimonial home with his children and grandchildren and children. They go fetch for Botuna Africa. I guess. Well, let's do that. Not share. I'm not going to hear this story. Come here, tire. Cause this na emergency Kongosa. I mean the pictures they all married. Come on, so you go back, you go do funeral. Be all and they funeralize you to tow all. From hotel to hotel, they just they piss after you, both to after you. Then you say you married. Me I tell yourself, well, one are not ready for share it, so I'm not going to hear this story. Me I tell you, because this kind of very important Kongosa, weddedness for that matter, when I not share it. I not see what style, so I'm not ready for you. The in total of the story, the pictures of the story, I never called name all. When I not say me, I not give a fuck. Name all get for involved. When I not say me, you must not go bundu. Now that they must go bundu, then they afraid for talk. When I not share it, when I not give me style it, so I not go get the Kongosa. But this Kongosa is hot. The Kongosa, I get pictures, get voicemail all. Don't leave on a be small. This one I get gravy all. Hey. What I go again, I go share, I go tag, I go bring the stars. Cause this kind of Kongosa, I go far forget her. Hey, I had sleepless nights. Forget all the evidence by the Kongosa and not sleep all nights. Because you especially the person where you connected to. Then in Kongosa reach you get to cross all the T's and dot all the I. So when you bring a car, you are not going to be biased. But this, it look like a married woman rare girl. That's so I say, married woman rare girl. That's so I say. They go fetch for other about two. Hey! Yes, I think I know I share, I know what I'm going to give Mr. I want to go hear this latest Kongosa. And when you keep watching it on Facebook, now the girl say I am Mrs. I am having, Mama, the turkey go. It enter DNA. All. Hey, Mama, Holy Ghost. Hey. Whosoever will make up. Over explain. I see now. Me, I just saw me money to bank. That bank now they wait for profits. They wait for interest. Me almost na post office. I see rich na yeah. Una all me Congosa family una go yeriam. Be lie what a lie. And I make a get to na. Una tag una self low increase the number. Then the number come. No big explanation but this weddedness. Magedu marare girl. Left your husband they go rare, they go fetch for other about two. That is not about two, they fetch for that tololi. Hey! This one looks sweet to me, safe. You know what make it sweet to me, but that person will connected to me. So the kind of people that they want to go inside you, and they enter inside you, and come out and go inside you back. Yes, that's on the next step. When you look yourself, you go wash with black soup. Because let person you are connected to. So what they enter inside you, and they put bala for enter inside you, and come out there and enter inside you back. That's why they operate. Yes. Hey! The people in this way sweet me. And again, like I said, the person you are connected to. Hey! This is a commodity good day. Now this thing is say John per mind to win a John rest. So what they when you per mind way the two way and they make sure say the per man warm. So when the rest way the two way get for make a fried rice. Yes, that's what they do. Una share una give me this star. These are the latest Congosa where they now. It come up from London to Holland. From Holland to Freetown, from Freetown, it reached the table. Now the rare Magedu marare girl. With the explanation. They're not giving me style, so they're not tagging it, so that they are here giving news. When I don't give me style, I tag them, go here the news. They are big, not so free. They can use their, I guess, sleepless nights for Gina. Hey! And what, if you watch them on Facebook, they can make like they know the shits. They can make like they're not saints. But when they talk about rare, they are rare, the capital. And now you are in a draw. Hey, Magedu marare girl. Cause you want Sabi, I'll Sabi explain what. One don't know you something. I go digitaka for explain what you. But you want understand, you want know you. Why they go inside you, why they come on inside you. Next day, you know they do it again. I go explain. When I give me star, this is the latest Congosa. If na Congosa, several discuss about you, so I don't give a fuck. Once you don't remember, say you get man, you go pee water, bobo, but then they fuck you in a free tongue. Then the video come, the voicemail can will talk about it. I don't give a fuck. Now give me star there. I never show a picture and all. No one know that kid Nancy. Once we get evidence, we'll explain. Magedu marare girl. Left your husband say you go beg you papa. Behold, na fuck na to Clarkson and abena to Clarkson now you go deeper. Hey, Magedu marare girl. Now then you want make pa we say I don't do na house 52 years. You fuck off do. Now give me star, eh? Well, I know why you the news. Come now, why you again? No, give me star. Now news not there for free. Oh. So this is the latest news. I need to lie to you now. This one just come on now the shukumalai. Let the star roll. Now star for see. Then I tell the sweetness go come for me the ajiji. Go there for me for talk. Now over 4 days I dey beg una for telephone, so tell God thank you for me. I don't get two people that we don't support. We only 2 person. Now they get give me $50. But I bring in a lame pain now one can listen. Now crazy na the crazy. Now give me the stuff for today I beg. Let this star roll. Because this is the latest Congosa. This Congosa is fresh than the Shukum lie. I swear to God this Congosa. Magedu said ugly for scatter. I don't give a fuck. And again that person way close to me. You know, understand eh? So I don't give a fuck. I get for call the name, call the man the name, call them picking the name. I don't give a fuck. Not to be responsible for they go up you backside, they go fuck na free tongue. I'm not responsible for that. Left you man, left you picking there, say you go do funeral, that you then be they be just the beggar. All them begging go on them. They mean they cut you and beg you there. But do you on a share, on a tag. On a share on a tag. Don't give me the star. Look at one call name. On a share. Don't give me star. This is the latest Congo, sir. I just pull on the Kushum line. And when I know say my brother, let go bot cutting tree. And me already say lady married scatter. Who give a fuck? Once you don't be member, so you get money, you go pay water, pay man and free they go fuck you. Then you go again. The girl say you get money though. It turn back now they cost the other married wife. They get man na you. They get there. They get dry, they get creepy. When I give me this table, lady Congo Saka na do now 160 days. Now only $1.50 star. Now I give me, but I give me star there big. Now why are you the latest Congo star? I get for the pay for her. Therapy self now I get for the pay. So now put the star quick there. Last stars. That 200 star then at $2. Not so much money. So now nothing to say when they say 500 and 500 star and $5. So then I put the stars. Lady stars come, yes. If you not subscribe to my channel, you not subscribe to my YouTube, you not give me the stars when I want to listen to the latest Congo, sir. Now 180 so. Now one time me say you not let the give star on the side. Now put on here, the latest Congo, sir. I just pull on the shukublai. I just shake them. Eh, but do my girl. And this one, they always sweet to me. They always keteke mummy. Now post way close to me. Hey! Now they want them there, me go inside, clear smell waste. I cannot do for them. I can let possibly close to me. Because now after that I can take I can make a disclaimer. She's my friend. But that one they could not stop my mouth from explanation. The crazy business. And what did they pay me? When I can go free to they can go lipe and them boy them. And they bring you come, you get paper, you officer you get paper. Because you forget the paper, not so that the thing. Anyway, me people now give me this star, I share, I tag on a friend. For me, I like for call name. Why they call name me, they thinking they sweet me. That's why they start find the sweet, eh? So I really want to explain before they play school. You hear me? This Congo Sana from London to Holland, from Holland to Freetown. Now they didn't married woman. Left in matrimonial home with him 5 children or 4 children. They go now Freetown to other people married man. When they catch them, then they have them inside the hotel. They want cost the married wife. All the information reach me. But one call name. But when I know they give me the stars, I'm not going for call name. Because I want to call you my name, I call the man name, I call everybody who concerned by the Congo, sir. Me, I don't give a fuck. Ona shiabo, let the Congo sawaka. Also, me tell her, left him married man go begin fuck na corner. Take bombo picture all reach me. So I say do my girl them. To tell you. Poku married do my girl. Left them man. Then I want tell me I married me a born. You married, you left your man, they go fuck na corner. You born, you left your picking and they go ab. Not only ab, they go fetch somebody else for you but too. Hey, they get creepy and dry. Left your tololi. They go cost the girl for your tololi. You do it, you young suske inside people married those suske which you get so. But I not give me the style, so I no call him. Then girlfriend picking they get creepy. As well. Because some of them not so real married wife picking and a girlfriend picking them. So the creepy way they get not so small. Left you matrimonial husband. Then I get tell me I'm not married for 40 years. You not married for 40 years, but you cheat 30 years. Now 10 years nobody faithful to you, man. Palam, polum, palam. But again, at all this squad, they all they do juju. Because until they wait some man they cannot do, then you see the man there behind the back, you can ask yourself question. Say, what did the girl there they do? But when you are not ready for give me this fight, so I know I hear this story. Well, I left on a first. Because now Congo self now on a degree. If now that sound they una can give this star. But now I hear the Congo sound and no one give this star. Don't wanna cut and go put her in her pages. Okay, but me that thing I'm not ready for give this star, I'm not ready for tag and share. Now left on a first. Yeah, but this Congo side, it get grace, it get gravy. Hey, but you do my girl. Picture and all involved, video and all involved. Hey, you want me out? And when you watch them on Facebook, then you make like they know the peace. Oh, then I put it, let it start flow now, let it start flow, let the secrets Canada. Una almost 200 on I sit on and I tell me say una no one give star now can you get this talk. Free bottle of money I make Julie boss 7 bars star picking. Well big that I'm not ready for get the star. Well me I don't go. Because at the star now they bring the Kongusa. All let her not sleep. For they listen to the latest of the Kongusa. For they go through the evidence. For the investigates now all nets are the panel. Then I follow and free the star for lady the word they come on and do guara. When I know I free the star. But now I read the latest Kongusa. Then I say go sit down in a pala then the Kongusa. No, well I no get anaya. But being that when I know I get the star, I have a good day. Me don't go before. After all, I me get me Kongusa. When you know I pay, you know go read the Kongusa. Because this Kongusa is sweet bang. This particular Kongusa, it gets gravy. I swear to God. Yo, this particular Kongusa married woman, rare girl, left in matrimonial husband. Hey, rare girl. Then they go both to Bafta and a hotel. I see me saying they go bury Papa Biobio and Bomo them in the bury from one graveyard to the other. One graveyard. And the other thing back where sweet people all this, it connected to Dolly Igwe, the Juju squad. Hey! Why? This is why sweet big bets. And to God, the one thing I like back by this Congo star, I am connected. I am connected. You know what I mean? So that before say, I know the person bets. So I'm ready for explanation. Me must not get for Trimble safe. If not this can bring divorce, so be it. I don't give a fuck. Not to be actually go up you waste. You free waste. They go fuck people, man. Then you get the audacity. You call the woman back, they curse them. When you don't go thief by the girl in bench. Una then girl they get creepy. Especially una we connected to Dolly. Not all my they can't tell and say this is my brother and my sister and the brother and my sister. Some of them are their fuck mates, have made a finger fuck mates. Yeah, salon people and I'm not ready for give me this time. But this story is treat me bad. It treat me bad and it touch me crown. Yes. It touch me crown. Maridu marare girl. Ponto panta opinolo. Get the audacity. You left your husband and your children. You say you don't go bury you papa. Beyond na young more than they bury from grave to grave. Hotel to hotel. Then you get the audacity that when another that beats me. You they call the married wife, they call some. But up the girl you married man. Where you left your man go marry girl. Anyway, I want call name, but one not give me this sign off. I know will call name. Because me I already I can ask scatter all thing. I don't give a fuck. And girl, they get creepy. You don't go thief the girl in beach. Then you get the audacity, the audacity. You call the girl back, they cost the girl. When are you go thief my beach? You left your manner. Now Holland, sometimes you kill the papa self, now make you be kill and quickly go free for go fuck people, man. Mareduma when it thinks that then boyfriend no soon a free tongue. When I know I give me this town, I know go you give this story. You make la left for now. I will start the flow, now the story the flow. Because the guy people they know they call the name them back, we shame them back pants up, we don't give a fuck. Anyway, I don't married for 15 years. Don't married for 50 years. You married for 40 or 45, and 5 no more faithful to you, man. I just fuck off before we. Some of them are ever telling a man themselves for go do DNA, even they born on a picking there. Because on a rare life, they now don't begin to make with the scare. Because some of them are not getting one regard, one respect for society. But when the internet today so. So, we have asked the man, go check to do some DNA. So, tell not to born the other picking there because the picking have not look like the man. That's what I see. Now, so me say, oh, Daphne Max been a Christian Pratt, take it to the bank. Now, so I say, I go tell me brother, I go do DNA. Because some of the picking don't look resemble them. But they do my rare girl. Go say they go bury you, papa, then they bury you. Then they bury you from King Tom begging ground to Ascension Tom begging ground to Ross Road begging ground. Then you get the audacity. You call the Mareduma, they cost them back. But you left your man now. Senior rare. When I get degree per rare. Professional rare. That's why I say, take it to the bank. Come on, you can meet me. If you know, say, Mama Kaka, you find. Reply me or answer me. We'll make the place warm for you all. Don't give a fuck. But this rare business don't they mourn at me. Then I wait to keep on at me back. All time I go lie at them boy, then I go Buyuka and I don't legal style. I go Buyuka Europe. I go where you officer, you can't put yourself can nowhere. You can't take yourself nowhere. Fake life, false life. Not too fucking fake and false. Pretend that everything is bright and beautiful when you fucking suffering. Fuck you. Anyway, when I not give me the stars there, so I'm not going to give the Congo Sana and 212 dinner, so now 1,000 and I get $10. If I comedy cell phone, I go listen and they give us $10 for comedy. But anyway, until I don't go na the gist, if I can go find another side. But me, I know say when they can come on my platform, why they call name, I call the whole name. Because the thing complicated self. It complicated or in it. That one is Southeast Peckham area, they are for thanking for now. Because it look like that they are corruption. That they. Anybody who connected to Dolly, look, they all get raklabu. They all get jujulitis. Hey! What? Yeah, try yourself. This time the royal blood versus the Kutogon blood. Me, I guess, plus the fake blood, plus the... People let me I can guess, you know, with this one when they happen at the internet, so against a warm me out. A warm, a hot. Would I believe you? All net are not sleep for this Congo, sir. All net are the filter. Now I want to bring the heavy Congo South to and I don't give me star. Well, on a good mayo. When I know say one and not give me star, not keep bring and come better. Wanna bring the star that I can bring and come. When I know and give me star, and I don't come bring on a limp ras. Okay, I get the latest. And the Congo sir, this I get video evidence on whether they fuck the girl, Mariduma, whether they have them. I get video evidence on. Then the audacity for if I call the girl, they cost the girl. All I go play the audio. When I know say me, I get everything. Boruk. But being now, I'm not ready for give me star yet. I go first. When the star ready for come, then I go come. And again, I tell you I don't get telephone. When I get for realize that. So yeah. But all the 3-4 days, now only two possible support me. When I all not ready for can listen to Congo, sir. Okay, well, I go first. Big Nine are not ready for give me this diet. When I'm not ready for tag and share it. I know can sit down, I can't go on a switch just like this. Because I get for involve the names. The names from the London side, the names from Salon side, names from all not a small Congo sir, this one. This is a state of emergency Congo sir. This is a Congo sir where 3 maridos they scatter. And I don't give a fuck. Because the evidence they want they pull. 3 they scatter. Now when Juju all involved inside you. Juju all involved inside this case. Hey! If some of you have been know the intro of this particular case, the stabber for us here. But anyway, big na me know they use Juju so and no one give me star. I go left one like I left one so in hanging. But this case here, hey, it get gravy. It get AJ. Hey, Allahu Akbar. How are you, man? I'm blessed. This particular case get AJ. It get gravy. It's sweet. Yes, it's sweet. You know what make it sweet? Now 2 married couples. You understand? And this couple, they connected to Dolly. You know understand? And you not only connected to Dolly, it connected to Tutu Balum. And another Tutu Balum and Dolly that are the Camarangs of the Congo line, which and Juju squad they all. But anyway, when this stack can become me, I can like what they give the names there, so I don't want to look face, you know what I mean? So right now I cannot talk much. When this stack will come, we will talk and say I don't give this star. Aside that give this star, I go to go and listen to Congo Sunday, but yeah, I get the latest because I get voicemail all, I get names being called, I get pictures, I even get video when they fuck. You come on a diaspora. Go say you go beg you, Papa. Inside 2 weeks, you Toto don't catch you so. Tell you that your Papa in coffin. You they go up in a hotel. Maybe bring me a try yourself. Big man, I know give me the style. It's not left on a first. When I not look, know the gravity of the ingredients and the equipment they will get.